Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I will be talking about a particular concept which I like so much. Yeah, because I'm a product manager, and this concept is used in product development process, and it also helps you to validate your idea in the market, and it saves you time and resources, and it also helps you to get feedback from customers, the early customers. And this concept is called minimum viable product. Minimum viable product, MVP. So what is MVP? From MVP, minimum means, of course, the smallest, right? Viable means something that is usable, something that is functional. And product is product. Product. So minimum viable product is like a version of your product that has the minimal features that the early customers can use, and it helps you to test the market and also helps you to get feedback from people about your idea, your hypothesis, and your opinion. When I wanted to become a product manager, I read the book, the product book. Yeah, that's the name of the book. And one of the authors of the book wrote something that one of the problems or one of the mistakes of product managers is they think their opinion is general. They see themselves as average, right? And because they think they see something as a problem, or they think something is good or something is bad, that also everybody in the world thinks the same way. So, and I think it's not about product managers or product management. It is something that is kind of general to many of us. We always try to see ourselves as average and think people should like what we like, people should think how we think, and people's judgment should be the same with our judgment. And that is why minimum viable product is really important, because it helps you to actually take the minimum version of your of the idea you have in your mind that is actually usable, right? That is functional to the market, to actually check if people see this as a problem or you are just wasting your time. So let's explain this with an example. Let's take WhatsApp as a case study. I'm using WhatsApp because I think many people use WhatsApp these days. So the basic thing you want WhatsApp to do, or what most people do on WhatsApp, is to send message to their friend and also receive message from their friend. So the minimum viable product could be you build an application that somebody can open an account, a profile with maybe with the phone number or something, or with the email, and other people can also do the same, and the person can maybe using the phone number to find his or her friend, and the person can send message to this friend and the friend can reply. That's all. That is the minimum viable product, because that is actually the problem you want to solve. Messaging problem, like fast, quick, instant messaging, right? But you can see that things have changed over the years, especially for WhatsApp. For example, now you can do video call, now you can have a group, now you can even have a channel on WhatsApp, now you can have group call. So many things that have changed over the years. Having status, your status can stay for more than 1 hour, can stay for 24 hours. So many things you can do voice call, but it did not start with all this. So it started with you just being able to write message to somebody and the person can reply back. That is the minimum viable product. And perhaps when the person launched the application and they saw that people were interested, many people downloaded the application, and many people were using the application, and many people were giving feedback and giving reviews. Oh, this is a very nice application. Then they proceeded to build, to include, to add more features like what we have listed so far, video call and other things. But let's assume that they built everything in WhatsApp at once, like all the things we've mentioned, the video call, the channel, the group, everything, they built it at once. And then they launched this app and nobody uses it. Just think about it. They wasted time, resources, and so many things. So that is why minimum viable product is generally important, because it helps you to validate your idea in the market, to actually check if people think what you think is a problem is actually a problem, or you are just thinking. Because your thinking is different, it's your thinking, and it doesn't change anything. Your opinion is your opinion. So, just to conclude, minimal viable product is the version of your product that has the minimal features or minimum functionalities that people can use in order to actually test whether people are interested in this idea, or to also get feedback from people. And one of the things I have to point out is that minimum viable product is not a shitty product. It's not like maybe you just build something that's shitty, right? It's not like maybe you want, for example, let's go back to WhatsApp. It's not like you build an application and then I send a message to my friend and my friend does not receive this message. So that's a shitty. That is not minimum viable product. The minimum viable product will actually function very well, but it will be the minimum features. Like you said, you don't include some advanced functionalities in this product. I hope you understand minimum viable product now, and I hope you got value from this explanation. So don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to write a comment about what you think about this concept. For example, if you built a minimum viable product before and people were not interested, and what did you do after that? And if people were really interested, what did your team do? And how has minimum viable product actually helped you in your current project or job or whatever thing you are doing?